Hello, this is Justin with Green Residential. So today I'm looking at a dryer vent termination. Now, it's this little square thing on the side of the building. There's something that I don't like about what I'm seeing, and it's not the caulking. I don't really care about the caulking job or the not so beautiful caulking job on this dryer vent termination. What I don't like is the whole entire termination point. So the way this works is when that hot, moist air from the dryer, whenever you turn your dryer on and start drying your clothes, it produces hot, moist air. That hot, moist air needs to get to the exterior of the building unless your dryer is specifically made for a different system. But most dryers are designed to have that hot, moist air exit the building. Now, this accomplishes that. So when that hot, moist air travels through the duct, the air opens these little tiny doors or louvers on this dryer vent termination, and that hot, moist air exits the duct system. Now, what I don't like about it is, well, there's two things. One, I think it's easier for lint to get caught in this opening. As you can see, if you look closely, you'll see some little white specks between the louvers. That is lint that is caught there. Now, that is actually a fire hazard. To be fair, lint will, over time, get caught in that duct system, and the duct will need to be cleaned regularly. What I don't like about this vent termination point is if you have a strong enough wind, it can keep those louver doors closed, preventing that hot, moist air from exiting the duct system. So what that could end up looking like for you is your clothes aren't drying properly. There's a lot of moisture in your dryer and your clothes are damp. There's a better system, in my opinion, and that is this type of dryer vent termination. Now, what building code requires is a backdraft damper on the dryer vent termination point. So a builder may argue, well, those louvers are accomplishing a backdraft damper. It's preventing wind from the outside going into the duct system. And yes, that's true, but if you have a strong enough wind, it can prevent those louvers from opening. However, on this type of dryer vent termination, this angled hood that is over the door that opens whenever the dryer is in use, allowing that hot, moist air to escape the duct system, that hood protects it from any gusts of wind. So the wind is much less likely to be an issue with this type of dryer vent termination. Now, both dryer vent terminations will get lint caught in them, and they will need to be cleaned. The whole dryer duct system will need to be cleaned regularly. So whatever type of system you have, you will still need to clean that dryer duct, as lint can, over time, build up in it, and that can become a fire hazard. So the key takeaway is this type of dryer vent termination is a much better termination point, in my humble opinion. Both, you can argue, meet code as far as having a backdraft damper on it. However, I believe this one is a much better product than the other. Well, I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. You know, we put out videos that cover simple repairs and basic general house knowledge that homeowners should be aware of. So if you would like more information like this, I recommend you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and bye for now.